Hello everyone, welcome to my channel, and if this is your first time, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. So today we'll be going over the quick unboxing and assembly of the famous Costco mesh office chair from Bayside, and let's get started with seeing what's inside the box. As you can see, it comes with all the tools that you will need for this assembly. So let the fun begin and let's get to the assembly part. Okay, step 1. So let's get started with unwrapping the base marked as E, and the step will be to assemble it with the gas lift cylinder that is marked as T. Moving on to the next step, just grab the wheels marked as part F and attach it to the base. As you can see, I struggled a little bit here on this step since it was a little hard to put in the last wheel. Awesome, our bottom part is ready, and let's move it aside and move to the next step. As you can see, I grabbed the bottom of the seat marked as B, and now we'll attach it to the part marked as C, which is our controls for moving the seat up and down, and we'll be using the screws mentioned as AA. Alright, we are almost there and the chair is almost ready. We just need two more small steps. There we go. Now for this step, grab the back support of the seat and attach it to the bottom seat from the previous steps, and here we'll be using the screws marked as BB. Alright, once you're done with the screw, just push down the seat to the base, and here you have your chair. Enjoy! Thank you for watching the video. Don't forget to like, comment and share the video and hit the subscribe button. See you next time.